What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a new vlog. We decided to go on an afternoon hike and be one with nature, be surrounded by trees. We are again tired of getting quarantined. I mean, we've been in the house most of the time in this COVID business. So I thought it'd be a nice idea to go out and go for a hike, be surrounded by trees in my elements. I love being by nature and being surrounded by trees. So I invite you to come join us on this journey. I'll see you guys later.
What are these called that are sticking out?
I know.
Stand up there, you guys. Stand up there. Isn't that cool?
It's like we're on a snake. Ah, me!
Look at these. Hey, come on, guys.
Tell them where you're at.
We're walking in a forest in Oakland, and
Yeah, what
we're
happened?
on this log,
Yeah,
the tree that fell down.
what happened to your hat?
I forgot it.
Yeah, your hair is messy, dude. Looks like there's black bears, rattlesnakes, mountain lion.
Your footing. Okay.
The walk actually gives you some grip.
So watch your step.
I don't need grip.
You don't?
Another steep hill. Yeah.
Remember, watch your step, kiddos.
So I guess there have been mountain lion sightings. The last one was on the 30th of May, so hopefully we don't see anything today. So we're going down this trail, but it's all downhill. So, and some of us, like this boy, doesn't have the proper shoes. His shoes is all worn out. I got my hiking shoes, so I got a little grip on my shoes. Not struggling. Do you?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? You having fun?
Uh-huh.
But the thing is, we gotta come back up later. It's fun though. Loving it.
Yeah.
Careful. There's steps right here. Watch your
These
steps.
steps are too big for me.
Not too big.
Made out of trees.
Babe, you're fine.
Stick is really helping me.
Smells like something's burning.
Yeah. Smells kind of stinky, huh?
Oh, those are people coming and have campfires. Oh. I used to love those youth camps. Did you ever
Back on the trail.
Cool thing about these trails also is that they do have picnic areas under the trees where it's nice and cool. People can bring their snacks, lunch. Like people I hear are picnicking, spending time with their family. So maybe next time we can do that.
We had caterpillars, and then
You know, one of the things that the kids like to do when we go for hikes is collect sticks and pine cones. Seems like they get every single branch. I don't know what they're gonna do with
Tell
it.
Daddy what you're doing with your sticks.
we're making a little house for the squirrels.
You're gonna make a house for the squirrel?
So they can have shade since it's summer.
That's I think the squirrel know how to make their own house.
But we
What do
can
you
make our own house for them. So
Are you gonna help them out?
Yeah.
difference. This is all dried, and then on that side it's green, so there's gotta be a creek under those tall grass. It's nice to see the nice contrast. I love the greenery.
You showed me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of.
See, I knew it. I was right. This was the water source that we were talking about here. That's why there was a difference and contrast between the green. Oh, this is the one that we saw. That kind of bit of grass compared to the dead grass.
Okay, I'm going to try to find another one.
You break a hip, I can't carry you.
All right, I made it. Okay, come on, Mom.
What's this?
Not that far, but you just don't want to fall in, that's for sure.
Right there.
She has better shoes than me.
Ooh, she actually got hiking shoes on.
Fall in there now.
Come on, Val.
Okay, let me see. You pose or something.
I want to try.
Yeah, mark the camera so you can do some video.
Can you hold this?
Jump off.
No, he has the camera in his hand. You have to learn to hold things. I'm holding your flask. You can hold the camera. That's right.
I just love the sound of nature. All I hear is birds. I don't know if you guys hear it. I like the quietness. I enjoy the stillness of the mind. Gives me clarity. It's nice. Ooh, he is the water source. Let's feel it. Looks clean. Nice and clear. Oh, that's cold. Nice though. That's nice. Come on. Come down here. The water is cold. Move your feet, like I told you. You're fine. Keep walking. Come on. Just keep moving your feet. There you go. Go feel the water.
I'm going to find the water.
Go feel the water. It's cold.
It feels cold?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so good. Seriously. I forgot my water bottle. You want to try it?
No!
Why? It's clean.
So we found that little stream of water. It was nice and cool.
That's
It
interesting.
was clear.
Look.
Oh, check this out.
All by
Isn't that
itself
nice?
right there.
By itself.
We are getting some stuff for the animals so we can build a house.
House, what kind of stuff did you get?
Some rocks and sticks and acorns.
Acorns and sticks? Pine cones?
Rocks.
Rocks and sticks? You're gonna make a nice built house? Cool.
We also saw a pond
Yeah.
that you could drink water from.
It's not a pond, but it's a stream.
Oh, stream.
If it's moving, it's a stream or a creek or a
No, my ball.
little river. Pond is just like a small lake. The water does not move. I finally found some shaded trails. I don't have to be hiking up in the bright open where the sun's beating down on you. Sorry, I got my protection as usual, long sleeves. So nice out here. Very nice. I love hiking in nature. And you can hear birds, again, the quietness and the stream water. I don't know if you guys could hear it, but it's right down there. All right, we are in a place where it's more familiar to us now. We have hiked here before. If you guys have not seen that, it's been a long while since we came here. I'm gonna link up the video up here so you guys can check it out. That was a year back, and we are now in the wetlands. This is where we usually go. Come down here, this trail, and go up this way. This one will consist of a wooden path where you're surrounded with nice greenery. So we'll see that when we pass by it. You guys hear all that? It's the sound of birds. There's a lot of birds up in here. Yeah, remember? So this is the wooden path that I was talking about. It's a nice trail. It's the greeneries. Some kind of bird. I can't see it. Oh, so nice contrast right here. The green leaves, the blue background. Oh, by the way, I do have a filter on this GoPro. We are vlogging on GoPro today. I do have a ND8 filter, but it's gonna look nice though on that contrast. I already see it in here.
Whoa, a butterfly.
A butterfly it is. Those are all apple trees, apple orchards. This place is famous for their apple stuff, apple pie, apple butter, everything apple.
Let's just rest here right now.
You want to rest here? Okay, cool. There's a lot of them. They're buzzing in my ear.
Hey! Get up! Get!
Show me how to get love. So tell me what you're thinking of. Show me how to get love.
Now we're back to civilization. There's a little pond right here. We are finally returning. It's the return trail back to the parking lot. All right, we made it to the end of the trail.
I don't think you're supposed to take stuff from here.
Oh, you guys gonna get in trouble? The ranger is up there. Anyway, so that was a nice hike in the middle of afternoon. It was we started around 1 o'clock, so midday, but it was nice and cool under the shade. Even in the direct sun, it's not too bad. It's still nice and cool. So summer's not quite here yet. So I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog, and I encourage you guys to go up in the nature and be one with nature. Go hike, especially now these days with this COVID-19 business being quarantined. So it's nice to go out, take a break from being at home, and no other way to be resetted than the quietness and the sound of nature. And it will reset your mind. It'll quiet down because there's not much stimulation other than nature. And again, part of it is we are part of nature. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.